harukubura yeshaha bushaha okuhika hachiro chokurahira kwa mukuru w'ihanga Jeno Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahabwa umurundi gwa mushanju okurabe hizobe rya nyenchakare babe kigombe cha NRM bebembirwe Secretary General Richard Todong basiba mu kwakira abagyenyi okurugo mu mahanga gatara gamwe na gamwe abariyoni bahiko omwihanga abarukuza kweta baha mukoro ogw'okurahira kwa President Yoweri Museveni. Abakuru okurugo omwihanga rya South Sudan ne bamwe abakuru ababanza kuhika omwihanga kandi aba baba bebembirwe Dr. Akor Paul Kodit kandi oguna akorre kigombe echa Sudan Liberation Movement.
The natural MOU that has been existing between the two people, so we're just formalizing it, but has been there naturally. This is one people in two countries, the Ugandan and South Sudanese. I want to congratulate you also for the overwhelming victory in electing Comrade Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. We are here in a solidarity mission to stand shoulder to shoulder with you. We have a lot in common. We have the background of being liberators, and that's why this one is a movement and this one is a movement. Sudan People Liberation Movement and National Resistance Movement.
Normally connects from here, and it is where we are receiving.
Dr. Akor Paul Kodit yasima abanya-Uganda ahabwa kugaruka bakaronda Yoweri Museveni ogundi murundi kandi yasima enkoragana erya hagati y'amahanga gombi.
Bako abagenyi wano ajja kunywa ku lwendo lw'amazzi oba wanaabasimye kakofi aka Uganda kalungi kamulinze dda era bw'anaamala okuwuuta kakofi ajja kuvugibwa butereevu mu ngeri y'ekikungu mu bitiibwa ebijjuvu ebiweebwa omukulembeze w'eggwanga akyadde olwo nno ayolekere wonna we baba bamutegetegetedde olwo nno agende yeeteeketeeke alinjirire olunaku olw'enkya olw'okwetaba obutereevu ku mikolo egy'okulayiza omukulembeze w'eggwanga.
And what's important for us as comrades, as we modernize, as we progress, is to maintain the movement characteristic of our respective organizations, the values of deliberation, the values for which we took up arms and liberate our people. These are the ones that inspire us to move on from time to time. While mindful of modernization and globalization, regional integration, we will do this with our own characteristics. As we move for closer social cooperation and integration, most importantly is the social integration also, the economic integration, the togetherness of our people. This is central to our work.
It was founded in 1954 and Algeria got independence in 1962, so the party is a little older than the country. and so we have a lot to learn from you on how we can stay in power for longer than what we have stayed, because you have been in leadership for a very long time. And we share a lot in common. We share a lot about the struggle to liberate our people from the bondage of colonization, and so we have partnership in very many fronts.
Nabwanyuma ba National Liberation Front bebembirwe Abdukalem Bembarek okurugo omwihanga rya Algeria nabo bahiko omwihanga kandi aba basima enkoragana y'ibine n'ihanga rya Uganda.
أنا سعيد جدا رغم أننا في الجزائر وحزب جبهة التحرير الوطني يخوض تحضير الانتخابات التشريعية في جويليا في 2 جويليا، وكذلك الانتخابات المحلية في أواخر أكتوبر وبداية نوفمبر، ولكن أبينا أن نحضر هذا الاحتفال لأداء اليمين لفخامة الرئيس أوغندا.
Bamwe bebembezi b'ekigombe kya NRM bagamba ahabera kugendo misho
nyenchakare mwije kororo murebe omumaterira karuru murebe narahira murebe ebintu byokutangaza biryaha n'ikintu kikuru munonga nimbagamba ntobusinge ninkirisho budi yaheza kutokora tokwasa kureba ikintu cyona mbwe nimbasiba abanya-Uganda security ho mwihanga.
Bamwe ombakora bahikira mwihanga abamahanga gandi bari mu mukuru w'ihanga rya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta, president w'ihanga w'ihanga rya South Sudan Salva Kiir, President wa Democratic Republic of Congo Felix Tshisekedi, President wa Tanzania Samia Suluhu Hassan na President wa Somalia Hassan Sheikh Mohamud abarukwija kwetaba ha mukoro izobe rya nyenchakare.
For a very short engagement with the President of Uganda, and they discussed not limited to bilateral but business, and that is why he returns here just few weeks ago, and Dr. Sheikh Hassan Mohamud makes a return here in Uganda now on other official dedication.
Gasha kwa Jimmy Mhomoza ahabwa Agacencwire omuri Kampala.
The history of Uganda. In the queue, we are told will be the arrival of the President of the People's Republic of Tanzania, Her Excellency